Hey everybody, welcome to another Build It with Mitch. This one, we've got a special surprise for my daughter. I'm building her a bedroom bench. First, I'd like to let you guys know there's two parts to this. One is we're gonna use dowels to join the woods together so we don't see any screws, any nails. We've got an excellent video on that. If you go see my friend CJ Drill, she's got a wonderful video on it. And then proper staining of wood. Go visit my friend Brent at BYOT, Bring Your Own Tools. He's also got a video on proper staining. I've posted both the videos in the description so you can click on those and go see them. But without further ado, let's get to building a bench. Love it. All right, gun stock. Dun, 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 you know. Me just humming it. Getting close. We're gonna set that there. Like that. Do is we'll clamp it on each side. That's why I love this table. So what this does is we can push up against it. It slipped on me, that's weird. So you can push every time we're against it like that. Boom. This gives us a space every time and it's going to be the same. Boom. Like that. This. Go ahead and just there it is. middle. Mark straight across. And we'll do the same here. Take this mark right there and mark straight across. So you don't see any screws on the outside or anything. I cut a hole in it right there, right in the center. And the reason I'm doing the line on the bottom instead of marking the line right here, I don't want any lines right here. Back up, right down the middle. There we go. And there's some glue there. A glue in here. The cool thing about this is you're not going to see any screws, nails, or anything on this piece of furniture. There we go. Gosh, this is awesome. Get ready to flip it. I love it. Okay, this is super light and super strong, and let's go surprise someone with their new bedroom bench. Now I've got an extra surprise for my daughter. I had some extra scrap wood left over, so I built it almost exactly the same using the scrap wood, and I'm gonna surprise her with this end table to go next to her bed. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this build. Now it's time for cleanup. I've got a happy daughter, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you guys don't miss any more videos. We've got some wonderful projects coming up, and don't forget, we're gonna make 2021 our best year ever. See you guys again.